In this video, we will show you how to use the Snaptain P30 the first time. Part 1. Unboxing. Open the outer packaging of Snaptain P30 and take out the product and its accessories. Download the app. Scan the QR code or download Snaptain Fly app from your mobile app store. Part 3. Flight Preparation. When using the battery for the first time, connect to the battery charger for approximately 1 minute to activate the battery. Remove the control sticks from the storage slots at the bottom of the remote controller. For the first time, it is recommended to change the remote control to ensure sufficient battery power. Insert the battery into the battery compartment. You should hear a click, which means the battery is secure. For optimal aerial video quality and sufficient storage space, it is recommended to install an SD card. Remove the gimbal protector. Extend the mobile device clamp. Place your smartphone inside the clamp. Tighten the clamp. Making sure everything is secure, press and hold the power button for 2 to 3 seconds to turn on the aircraft until the blue light flashes. Then the red light starts flashing. For a remote controller, press once and then again and hold for about 3 seconds to power on the remote controller. When the aircraft successfully pairs with the remote control, the light changes from red to blue and starts flashing. Part 4. Linking. Enable Wi-Fi. Connect to Snaptain P30 and launch the Snaptain Fly app to enter flight mode. Ready to fly on the app interface means successful connection. To prepare the drone for compass calibration, push the left stick to upper right and right stick to upper left at the same time until the interference prompts you with the next step. Horizontal compass calibration. Hold the drone horizontally with the head facing forward and rotate it 360 degrees until the rear LED indicator turns solid blue and red. Vertical compass calibration. Hold the drone vertically and rotate it 360 degrees until the front LED indicator on the drone lights up solid blue. Part 5. How to fly. Place Snaptain P30 on level ground, making sure the aircraft is facing outward with the rear facing you. You can enter the settings interface to adjust the beginner mode, distance, and altitude, other settings. You can also adjust the SD card resolution in the image part. Unlock motors. Simultaneously push the left control stick to the lower right corner and right control stick to the lower left corner to unlock the motor. When the propellers begin to rotate, gently push the left control stick up to take off. The left control stick is used to control your flying altitude and the direction Snaptain P30 is facing. The right control stick is used to enable the aircraft to fly forward, backward, and to either side. When the GPS signal is weak, the compass experiences interference, or the ambient is insufficient for visual positioning. To avoid accidents, please land in a safe location as soon as possible. Part 6. Taking photos and videos. Tap the photo button on the right and choose Photo Video or Quick Shots. The camera parameter menu at the bottom right can be used to adjust parameters. You can also adjust the gimbal pitch and control the camera by using the gimbal dial on the left side. Digital zoom is available in video mode. Part 7. Return to home. To initiate RTH, tap the RTH button on the left side of the screen and hold or press the RTH button on the remote controller and hold. When you need to power off the aircraft and the remote controller, press the power button once, then press again and hold for 2 seconds. Fold the aircraft arms and store the aircraft in the shoulder bag. Thank you for watching our Snaptain P30 tutorial first flight. Enjoy your flight.